The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is not just another luxury SUV. It is a vehicle built with one clear purpose: to go anywhere on Earth and come back without breaking a sweat. For decades, the Land Cruiser name has been associated with strength, durability, and unstoppable performance, and the LC200 takes that legacy into the modern era with advanced engineering, powerful engines, and refined comfort, while still staying true to its off-road roots. From the very first look, the Land Cruiser 300 feels bold and commanding. The front design is upright and aggressive, with a wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and a high hood that gives the driver a clear sense of control and authority. The body shape remains boxy and purposeful, which is not just a design choice, but a functional one. This shape improves visibility, interior space, and off-road confidence. From the sides, the SUV looks tall and muscular, and at the rear, the clean LED tail lights and strong bumper complete a look that says this vehicle is built for serious work, not just city driving. Underneath the body, Toyota has introduced a major upgrade by using the new TNGF body-on-frame platform. This platform is stronger, more rigid, and significantly lighter than the previous generation. By reducing overall weight by more than 200 kilograms, Toyota improved fuel efficiency, handling, and off-road capability without sacrificing durability. High-strength steel and aluminum components are used strategically to ensure this SUV can survive extreme environments for decades. This is the kind of vehicle designed to last 20 or even 30 years with proper maintenance. Powering the Land Cruiser 300 is a modern twin-turbo V6 engine lineup, replacing the old V8 engines. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo petrol engine produces around 409 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque, delivering strong acceleration and smooth highway performance. In markets that offer it, the 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel engine focuses on massive low-end torque, making it ideal for towing, off-roading, and long-distance driving. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and efficiently, keeping the engine in the ideal power range at all times. Despite its size and weight, the LC200 feels surprisingly responsive and confident on the road. Where the Land Cruiser 300 truly separates itself from other luxury SUVs is off-road performance. This vehicle is equipped with full-time four-wheel drive, a low-range transfer case, and locking differentials that allow it to maintain traction in the harshest conditions. Advanced systems like multi-terrain select adjust throttle response, braking, and traction control depending on the surface, whether it's sand, mud, snow, or rocks. Crawl control acts like off-road cruise control, automatically managing throttle and brakes so the driver can focus on steering through difficult terrain. The multi-terrain monitor uses exterior cameras to show what's happening underneath and around the vehicle, which is extremely useful when navigating steep climbs or rocky paths. Simply put, this SUV is built to go places where roads don't exist. Inside the cabin, the Land Cruiser 300 offers a perfect balance of rugged functionality and modern luxury. The interior feels solid and premium with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and durable leather seats designed for long journeys. The seating position is high and commanding, giving the driver excellent visibility. The infotainment system is large, clear, and easy to use, paired with a digital instrument cluster that displays important driving and off-road information. Multi-zone climate control keeps all passengers comfortable, and the spacious three-row layout makes this SUV suitable for families, long trips, and heavy-duty travel. Even with all this luxury, the interior never feels delicate. It still feels like a Land Cruiser. Safety and technology are also major strengths of the LC200. Toyota includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control,